How to boost your post on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you to the steps on how you can boost your Instagram post. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple, so let me guide it through. First things first, there is first step that you'll have to do before proceeding to boost your post. Open up Instagram, head over to your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right, scroll down here and you should be able to find the option that says account type and tools. So under for professionals, you're gonna tap on it and now you're gonna switch to professional account. Now go to the prompts and switch to professional account, right? It's pretty simple. I won't show you that. But once you have done so, what you can do is you can open up Instagram again, reload it. Now I'll switch to my professional account here, which I had already switched. Head over to your profile again, and then you can see professional dashboard option right on your profile, right? You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you can see add tools option, tap on it, and once you tap on add tools here now, you can see boost content from profile option. You want to tap on it and now choose the post that you would like to boost. Then choose how you like to boost on Instagram, with a Facebook ad account or without a Facebook ad account. If you do have Facebook ad account, you can choose it, or if you don't have, you can choose without and tap on continue. Go ahead through the prompts and fill in certain details, enter in your payment methods, and you're good to go. This is how you can easily boost your post on Instagram. Hope this video has helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.